Go. So we are here now in Sagada to learn how to wrap the Igorot wrap, you know, down there. So here's Tommy, our model from Manila. Tommy and our fashion consultants, Luzelle Artillero and Michelle Velasco. So they're here to try it out. So
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir à la
Ikaw
France.
narrate kung paano.
So first you put it under your bird. When you put it under your bird, you put it slightly up and wrap it right over left actually. But it doesn't matter. Basta just wrap it around the bird. Yes. You need to protect the bird, you know, because in Sagada Mountain Province, it's very cold. It's very cold. So you have to wrap the bird so it won't fly. There. So once you wrap it like that, you should wrap it inside your butt. There. So that your butt will be insulated as well for the intense cold wherever you are, whether you are in Switzerland or in France.
So here's the finished.
So here's the finished product. So here's the finished product.
Model, rampa.
You should remove all. Yan.
Hindi,
Yan. Oh, okay. Shake it. Shake. Wiggle.
Jump. Party na party.
So that's how you do the bird protector in the mountain province.
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap.
Yeah.
It's a wrap.
Ano ba tawagin?
Yeah.
Pagas tayo dun.
Eh, grabe, ganun.